Most organizations are going through network transformations today, whether it's moving to SaaS, hosting environments, cloud, SD-WAN, etc. What are all these new architectures have in common? It's the internet. It's the new delivery path for all these new modern network infrastructures and your applications. Well, we're going to walk through a demonstration today how experience-driven NetOps from Broadcom software expands your visibility beyond the edge of your data center into these new hosting environments like cloud, SaaS, even across SD-WAN, etc. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at new dashboards with the latest release of DX NetOps 22.2 for network experience. It's pretty amazing how we're now able to add network key experience metrics and capacity metrics, data, voice, across the entire network path. Let's troubleshoot an actual experience issue for a SaaS application that users are complaining about right now. If we move to the NetOps portal, we immediately see our AppNeta alarms that are now integrated from our AppNeta digital experience monitoring solution from multiple monitoring points around the globe. So we'll click on the actual network path, which is our path from India to our SaaS-based application. And immediately we see insightful metrics like capacity, performance, latency. This is for data as well, for voice as well. But we don't see any major data loss. We don't see many capacity issues here. At this point, we want to then investigate the entire network path topology, end to end. Again, from beyond the edge of your data center for the new enterprise network, which really is the internet. So we're going to jump into our AppNeta solution here. Immediately, we see 3 network paths that have been set up to access our SaaS-based application here in the United States, and we see connectivity issues on our India connection. If we take a deep dive into this path, we see incredible detailed path analysis, giving us hop-by-hop insights into the current network path. We look along the event timeline, we actually see connectivity lost event. So we're definitely isolating the root cause of our network experience issue here. AppNeta actively monitors your network hop by hop in real time, so you can determine when to automatically escalate if any alert thresholds are violated. As you can see, AppNeta identifies many different network issues, including route changes, QoS alterations. We're correlating that with capacity, data loss, latency, jitter. We can see that correlates to the time of this service degradation. If we dive into the actual topology of the network path, we can see exactly by scrolling along the timeline when connectivity was and when connectivity was lost. Great insight into the analysis of this service degradation, hop by hop. And we're also able to determine the ISP that's associated with this outage. This information is gold for network operations. It determines the hop where connectivity is failing. We can see it's the last hop close to the cloud edge for our SaaS-based application. And now we can also see the service provider information associated with the entire route. As we see here, Tata is having an outage that takes us to the SaaS environment. And we can now take this evidence to the service provider and get them to magically fix the issue. Again, DX NetOps and AppNeta together providing experience-driven NetOps gives our network operations teams full visibility of the entire network delivery path to troubleshoot and isolate degradation issues that exist outside of the 4 walls of your data center into unmanaged networks like ISP, cloud, SaaS. Network operations teams now know exactly where to focus their attention, saving valuable time during what could be a very business-critical outage or situation.